can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum. Currently trading above $2,500. We have seen Ethereum turn to as high as $2,700 over the last few days. It's been a wild ride. We've seen Ethereum rally from as low as $1,300. Ethereum has rallied up to as high as $2,700, giving us a 96% rally in about 35 days. The $1 million question is, how high can ETH go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Are we getting ready for that one final pump that will see ETH rally to as high as $3,200, maybe even get to the $4,800 level? Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is improving. Ethereum valuation against Bitcoin is also improving. Bitcoin dominance has started showing some cracks, and we're hearing talks about ETH possibly going to $5,000. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The last 1 month has seen good times return back to the cryptocurrency market. Even Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, is up 64% over the last 1 month. Over the last 1 week, Ethereum gave us that 16% move to the upside. It's been a wild ride. We saw Ethereum getting to the $4,100 level in December of 2024. Market participants were expecting it to continue pumping higher, myself included. But then we got into 2025, Donald Trump tariffs talks. We've seen the market take a beating. We've seen Ethereum lose around 65% of its value, dumping to as low as $1,385. That was peak bearishness. That was peak talks of Trump rally and Trump tariffs. And then we saw Ethereum start its rally. We saw the Pectra upgrade come online. And right now, Ethereum has given us around a 95% pump to the upside. Market participants are expecting higher prices. We're already seeing 3 reasons why Ethereum price could rally to $5,000 in 2025. Ethereum price could hit new all-time highs if AI adoption, spot ETH ETF inflows, and the implementation of Pectra upgrade move in the right direction. So right now, the news stories are already giving us positive stories about Ethereum. In the coming days and the coming weeks, guys, I'll be expecting the final move of the pump. Remember, the target we have been looking for in this relief rally has been that $3,200. We're expecting 702 retracement. We've seen it for Bitcoin. We're seeing it for the total crypto market cap. I'm expecting it to follow through. Now, the $3,200, $3,300 level will be our first target. First $3,200. Reaching $3,300, I'm sure a lot of smart players will be selling there for some sweet profit. That's around the 30% from where we're currently trading. And from the bottom of this bounce, if Ethereum gets to that $3,300 level, that would have seen it pump by more than 140%. And since when this bounce started, guys, we've been seeing Ethereum taking charge. Ethereum has rallied to as high as $2,700. But more importantly, Ethereum is gaining value against Bitcoin. So we're seeing mindshare leave Bitcoin. We're seeing mindshare run into the Ethereum network after Ethereum going sideways for about 5 weeks. Since April of 2025, we're seeing Ethereum going sideways in this tight range for 30 days, not 5 weeks, 30 days. And then the Pectra upgrade came online. What has happened to the price of Ethereum since the 7th of May? We have seen it shoot to the moon. We have seen Ethereum gain around 40% against Bitcoin over the last few days. Is the rally over? I don't think so. I believe there's still room for it to run, but I believe we have the final phase where market participants will FOMO in. If you look at Ethereum's weekly chart, you see that Ethereum's 200-week moving average for Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin sits around 0.054. So I'll not be shocked if Ethereum still rallies up by around 50 to 100% from where we're currently trading. A 50 to 100% move from where we're currently trading, guys, we see Ethereum possibly trading around $4,800 or possibly even getting to a new all-time high. The previous all-time high for Ethereum came in around $4,800 in 2021. From where we're currently trading right now, if we see Ethereum give us a 50% move, that will see ETH pumping around $3,900. And if we rally up 100%, that will see Ethereum getting to new all-time highs, blasting above those about that $5,000 level. Can we see $5,000 Ethereum? It's very possible, guys. The final phases of the pump is always the most volatile part. A longer term Ethereum price rally is dependent on SEC approving of in-kind ETF creation and staking to attract more investors. AI adoption and Ethereum layer 2 growth must drive on-chain activity to restore the network deflationary bond mechanism. Guys, I still believe we'll see bigger, higher prices in the coming days and the coming weeks. Remember, the news is always lagging. When the market is high, when the market is at the highest price, when you're supposed to be selling for some sweet profit, the news will be telling you to buy. We're going to go higher. When we're at the bottom, when we're buying some ETH at $1,300, $1,400, the news was not this positive. We're hearing talks about Solana outperforming Ethereum, but we believe the reversal will come, and right now the reversal is here. Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. Ethereum is also outperforming Ethereum. If you take a look at Solana's valuation against Ethereum over the last few days, it has taken a beating. It has tanked to gobbling town. I'll still be expecting more dumps for Solana's valuation against Ethereum. We have seen Solana start losing value against Ethereum since the 21st of April 2022. Right now, it's 25 days deep in the 25% correction. Now, if you look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin dominance tells us whether market participants are going into Bitcoin or they're going to the altcoin market. And right now, it seems they are flooding into the altcoin market. We've seen Bitcoin dominance go from as high as 65% down to as low as 61%, even though right now we've seen a bounce back to the 63% region. I'll be expecting Bitcoin dominance, guys, to come to as low as 54%. So I'll be expecting a rapid crash in Bitcoin dominance. Why will I be expecting that? Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market has improved right now. There is greed in the cryptocurrency market. We have seen sentiment go from extreme fear over the last 3 months. Right now, we're on the verge of extreme greed, extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market on 27th of February 2025. Right now, there's some greed. The next push to the upside might see sentiment boil over to extreme greed. Sentiment is improving. Prices are increasing. Ethereum is trading above $2,500. Guys, these are all the signs we are waiting for market participants to call it an alt season. A 64% move for ETH in the last 1 month is something to write home about. Historically, that has led to more pumps. But guys, the bad news is that pump will be the final pump before a big decline comes to gobbling town. Bitcoin dominance usually dumps at the end of the rally. We saw Bitcoin dominance dumping in December of 2024. And what happened in January of 2025, we saw that huge 3 months decline that we had that took all coins dumping. The next decline is going to be volatile. The next decline is going to be crazy. But hopefully, we'll sell the top and run away. Ethereum Foundation unveils security initiative to supplement legacy system. The $1 trillion security initiative seeks to address legacy systems issues and support Ethereum developers. And Ethereum retakes 10% market share, but Ethereum bulls shouldn't celebrate yet. Ethereum crypto market dominance has reached its most overheated levels since May 2021, which may lead to sharp pullback in ETH prices. Right now, ETH is trading at $2,500. So market participants are still scared to get into the market. But guys, that's why we're waiting for that one final pump to the upside. Above $3,300, the market might get overheated. Above $3,300 is going to be free for all. But if we can get that $3,300 level, we would have seen a 130% rally for Ethereum from the bottom. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. Are you buying more ETH right now? ETH is having a time of its life. ETH is pumping aggressively, and I believe we're seeing that one final rally before we begin our dump to gobbling town. Ethereum dominance has got into that 10% region. Even though we have seen it retreat back to the 9.5% region, I expect to see Ethereum dominance maybe even get to as high as 17% over the coming days and the coming weeks. If you are buying more ETH, drop your thoughts in the comment section. If you sell, if you believe the top is in, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me why you believe so. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.